Hey, have you ever wondered how AI models ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude actually learn to talk like humans? We all know they spit out these super helpful replies. But how do they get so good at it? Let's demystify one of their secret weapons, RLHF. Now that stands for reinforcement learning from human feedback. Yeah, it's a mouthful, but stick with me. The big idea is this. When it comes to language, things like helpfulness, friendliness aren't easy to measure with a score. You know when someone answers your question and it just clicks? That's the kind of magic we want from AI. But how do we teach that to a computer? Here's where RLHF comes in. Instead of giving the AI a boring score, humans actually read a bunch of different AI responses and rank them. I like answer B better than answer A. C is the worst. The AI looks at all these rankings, learns what humans prefer, and slowly gets better at delivering answers that are actually useful, friendly, appropriate. Think about it. If you asked an AI for a recipe, you want it to be clear, accurate, and maybe even crack a joke or two. RLHF helps the AI learn what you find helpful, not just what some code says is correct. And it works for all sorts of tasks, writing emails, summarizing news, helping you brainstorm. The more feedback it gets, the more human it becomes. But it's not just about making answers sound nice. RLHF also helps the AI say no to requests that are weird or inappropriate. If someone asks for something unsafe or nonsensical, the AI learns to politely shut it down. It's kind of like teaching a friend how to set boundaries, but at superhuman scale. So, next time you're chatting with an AI and it gets your vibe just right, that's RLHF working behind the scenes. It's the reason modern language models feel less like robots, more like helpful companions. And as humans keep guiding these models, who knows how much better they'll get? Honestly, the future of conversation is looking pretty bright. Provide more relevant and helpful answers. Reject inappropriate or irrelevant requests. Align more closely with human values and preferences.